You're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Taron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. If today is the first time of seeing my channel, do well by subscribing. Click on the subscribe button and there's a bell beside the subscribe button. Click on it, click on all. It is a notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Alright, in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make another beautiful mini um purse bag purse. So let's get into the detail of the video. And thanks to all my subscribers, thank you so much, and thanks to all the students that enroll on my telegram. All right, for my telegram class, thank you so much. If you would like to join my telegram class, you can call or WhatsApp me on 080 365 88365. All right, so I'll be telling you the price. If you want to join my telegram class, you can chat me up on WhatsApp with the number I just called now. Then I'll tell you the price of the training. And all right, so you'll be learning a lot of things in that class, because a lot of people have gained and have really gained and are still gaining. So they have become profitable bag makers. So I'm going to be sharing a lot of things with you, a lot of bags, and also you have the opportunity to ask me questions regarding bag making and design and the pricing. All right, so let's get into today's video. So now, instead of throwing these pieces away, I felt I should make something meaningful out of it. So don't be throwing away your leftover, no matter how little. Okay, so this is 5.2 by 7.3 inches. All right, so I have two pieces of it. Instead of throwing it away, this is what I'm going to achieve with it. All right, so this is my zip cloth, right? So this is the right side. So the right side will be facing the right side of the bag. So meaning this is the wrong side. I'm top stitching on the wrong side. I also come here. I'll top stitch it the second time. All right, so now all right, to fix my zip head. So I'll fold it like this equally and top stitch it. So we're done with our cute pot. So I can decide to chop it, like stitch it, or leave it the way it is. So let me see. what we have here. So I want to top stitch the bottom so as to have a find another kind of design. So you can just top stitch it a little, like 0.5 inch, that's half an inch. So do the same thing to the other side. So see what we have here. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so. You can see how portable it is. You can put your money inside and many other valuables. Alright, so see you in my next video. Please subscribe to this channel. Share this video with friends. Like the video by clicking the thumbs up button. It's very, very important. Click on the like button, share with friends, comment, ask your question. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.